everybody, welcome to my channel, and I hope you're doing very good. And today's activity, I'm going to read you a book, but it's not a book, it's a book on my iPad, but it's not my school iPad. Okay, let's get started. This is my normal iPad. See? Different stuff. Then you can, my password is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an easy password to remember. And the app I'm going to read to you today is this one, RIVET. This is just a game, I don't need. RIVET. Here's the books. You got level 8, and the book I'm going to read to you is called Mighty Raju. It's a funny one. It's called Mighty Raju. Mighty Raju. Wait, what? Did I start it? I started a page without you. It's Mighty Raju, Mission Antarctica. And if you don't know a word, you can just press on it.
Antarctica.
That. Press on this thing.
Antarctica.
Like that. Then practice saying the word and the meaning will come here. Antarctica. Antarctica. You have to try popping the balloons on one try. And you can hear this next.
Antarctica. Body of land around the South Pole, plateau covered by great ice cap.
See, that's the meaning. Okay, let's get started. Raju, a young boy living in India, and India is my country, is talking on the phone with his father, Dr. Swami. Dr. Swami is a scientist. Hi, Dad, Raju says. I can't believe you are in Antarctica. Are you learning a lot? Yes, Raju, his father says. We're all set. We're all set. Oh, it'll just go away. We're all set up. We're all set up to start learning more about life in the frozen climate. Here, I have also made friends with the wonderful group of penguins that live near the research station. I press this button to go to the next page. And if you press this button to go to the title. See, when I press this, it went. And if we press this one, it goes back. Raju hands the phone to his mother. Raju's mother says, I am very proud of what you are doing. Please be careful and stay safe out there. If something happens to you, it will take a very long time to rescue plane or boat to arrive. Raju.
Trouble.
Oh man. Raju listens closely. Not many people know.
Once.
Why do I keep doing it? Not many people know this, but Raju is a superhero and he can do amazing things. He is always ready to help people who are in trouble. If his father needs him, Raju wants to be ready to take action. A superhero kid? What the heck? While Dr. Swami is talking to his wife, the other researchers at the factory are busy setting up a scientific what's this?
Equipment.
Let's see, what does that mean? Equipment. Oh. Equipment. Oh my. Equipment. Oh, I guess I'll... Equipment. Yay! That's how you have to do. Pop all the balloons on one try. Let's see what this means.
Equipment. Supplies or tools needed for a special purpose.
While Dr. Swami is talking to his wife, the other researchers at the factory are busy setting up the scientific equipment. That work at the research station is going well. The scientists are using special aquarium equipment to measure things like wind and temperature. They make a lot of noise as they step up the heavy equipment. However, not everyone is happy with all the noise. That noise. The scientists are so busy with their research, they don't notice a large snow monster coming towards them. As the snow monster stomps through the snow, he angrily growls to himself, "What is all this terrible noise disturbing my sleep? This is my territory, and these humans do not belong here." It's time for Super Raju to come. Hooray! When scientists hear the snow monster...
Now.
Why this keeps happening, guys? One scientist hears the snow monster growling. When he turns around and sees the snow monster, he is terrified. No one at the research station had any idea that such a large and dangerous creature lives in Antarctica. The scientist yells, "It's here, so I get to take a break." And I don't know what terrified means, so I'm going to press on it.
Terrified.
Terrified. See? Oh. Terrified. Terrified. Wait, what the heck?
Terrified. Terrified. To cause someone to become very frightened.
One side yells, Everyone drop what you're doing and get inside now. The scientists run as fast as they can. However, the snow monster is faster. The snow monster breathes his icy cold breath onto the scientists, freezing them in place. The scientists are covered in snow and ice and not available to move. The snow monster then freezes the research equipment, which stops it from operating. What's it?
Operating.
Operating. Operating. Man, I guess I'll skip that.
Operate. To work or cause to work in a proper or particular way.
This is where we're going to stop, and we're going to start part 2 next time. So I hope you like this book and this app, and I hope you like my iPad. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this with your friends, keep smiling, stay healthy, and keep dancing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'll get you next time. See you later.